have a unique problem because apart from 7th March,
is here.
My lords,
Delhi is not here because Delhi
Is here.
is hotly contested. No.
Hotly contested.
my lords, may I just hand over a two-pager? This is on Delhi for 55 candidates. One please for the amendment.
Before my friend start, I just want to give one suggestion. Perhaps this may solve the problem. Lordship may have seen that 7th March order today, my lords. My endeavor and as a amicus suggestion would be, my lord, that if they are contractual teachers, my lords, though as per Delhi government, they should have applied under that advertisement and they should have participated in examination. If that was the spirit of 7th March order, then the order gets defeated because that order protected those contractual teachers who are working for 10, 15 or 20 years, subject to RCI qualification and of course subject to screening committee. If they were to give in the same color of that you please apply under the advertisement and apply for examination, my lord, then that according to me, my lord, with greatest respect, 7th March order gets frustrated and defeated, my lord.
I'll simplify it further, in fact, Melits, because my learned friend has pointed out 15, 20, 10, 15, 20 years. I will take my lords to the table and I'll be able to satisfy.
Individual cases can be different. I'm not on that. General proposal.
I'm making a fair submission, Melits. Somebody who's been appointed in 13 and 14 Melits, they may be regularized, my lord. There's no difficulty. The numbers are very less, and I'll be able to satisfy my lords that majority of them have been appointed, majority, in 2020, 2021, and not before that. And I'll take my lords to the table, my lords. Now my learned senior can point out.
May I just, I've just prepared a very short note. I represent all 455 special ed teachers in NCT, my lords. And I've just broken it down. Please share a copy with them also. And then I'll deal with the Delhi government's whimsical affidavits, my lords. I'll take your lordships through everything very fairly, my lords. We are 455 teachers, my lords, special ed. Our appointments were made from 2013 to 2023. Now, your lordships will see these are our qualifications. We comply absolutely. There is no non-compliance here. 373 trained graduate teachers, 1 postgraduate teacher, 80 PRT primary teacher. What does this mean, my lords? We also have, please see point 3, B.Ed in special education. We are enrolled in the CRC, Central Rehabilitation Register of the RCI, and we are CTET or TET qualified. This GNCT also admits in their affidavit. I'll take your lordships through all of these.
But are you RCI qualified?
Yes, my lords. We are RCI
Your
qualified.
first bullet point does not say so.
My lords, here we are, my lords. If your lordship comes down,
Your
third
first bullet point, madam,
Yes.
that you are a trained graduate teacher. There are decisions that you may be very highly
My lords,
qualified for other
Bullet 3,
students.
my lords. Bullet
But
3.
unless you have the requisite qualifications
Yes.
teaching the special
So
needs,
I've broken that down. Please see. I've broken it down. The trained graduate teachers category, we possess B.Ed in special education. And your lordships both have this. Enrollment in CRR of
B.Ed is for purpose of teaching primary students. You show us something
No,
that
but
yes, B.Ed is required
Yes.
for primary.
May I just take you to this?
Bachelor of Education is for, if I am not wrong, for the secondary and the higher secondary people.
Yes, but therefore I'm also in.
Up to class 8, that is the primary level,
Yes.
it's the basic teachers training certificate that is required.
Notes here we are between classes 6 to 10. So therefore, please see enrollment in Central Rehabilitation Register and CTET and TET based on their own affidavit. Your lordships has bullet point 3.
Yes.
Yes, what's on this number? Now we are still, all of us, currently teaching in Delhi government schools. Now please see the status of the petitioners and our grievances. The old vacancies, your lordships have 945 to be filled by examination. 361 of which have been filled. 613 new total vacancies advertised. V-Day advertisement 29/5/2026. Now I'm going to pause here, my lords. So your lordships passes that order in March. Then quickly, despite us teaching, they bring out a fresh advertisement. Now be that as it may, since we are all qualified, should we be made to take a fresh examination? That's one thing I'll leave to your lordship's consideration. Now please see your lordship's own order dated 7/3.
They have read.
7/3/2025 of the Supreme Court. Your lordships direct notification of sanction post.
All these
Constitution.
candidates are having RCI.
Yes, my lords. Yes, categorically yes. The GNCTD's affidavit admits, I'll take your lordships to their affidavits, where they say, yes, they have these
So
qualifications.
then we will now have to interpret this 7th March order and say,
Yes.
what is the length of service that would be required for
Yes, I'm only on that.
getting the benefits
Yes.
of the 7th March order. At one place it is 20 years, another place it says many years.
Last many years.
Last
That
many
line
years.
has to be drawn somewhere.
Long is-
Otherwise, that
We need to have
earlier
to-
Madhya
we need
Pradesh
to draw a
was
line.
And in Delhi, there have been exam after exam which they have avoided, or they have written those exams and not qualified. That's the real problem, my lords. And I represent those who have qualified for the exams,
Well, it's
and we're waiting for our result.
Madam Menaka,
Yes, my lords.
how many of your clients have earlier taken the examination and not qualified?
My
245.
lords, all of them have
245
taken the
minutes.
exams.
Out
They've
of
all taken the
370.
exams.
Earlier they could not qualify.
No, they've all taken the exams, my lords.
We want a categorical statement.
It is there in the affidavit. They have filed. They have filed an affidavit saying 245 out of 370 TGT teachers have participated in the exam.
Earlier years,
No,
Yes,
22 and 23.
met the
no, not this year's examination.
Yes, my lords.
This year.
We-
earlier
They have
exam.
not mentioned. They have mentioned about 22 and 23.
My lords,
Because
earlier
validation-
also we participated in the examination and maximum, my lords, 30%, 40% results came, my lords. We are the backbone of these CWS and my lords. We are teaching them. Only 30, 40% actually being appointed in the earlier examination. That was the problem. We are teaching, my lords.
Well, it's the state
And my
government
lords,
is also
we are
filed in
having
IAS.
all the requisite qualification, even RCI, and on 12th of March,
Mr. Amicus, just go through all the affidavits and give us a clear
The
picture.
IAS also, my lords, the state.
Give us a clear picture as to whether these candidates represented by Madam, how many times have they participated in previous exams? And if they have not qualified, they will not be regularized through this route of 7th of March 25.
We'll
And
get that
Madam-
information, my lords.
Well, it's one more. My lords, is
Take a chance there, you fail there and then you come this side.
Your lordship's order in 2024
Lordship, then I have to also figure out that those
did these posts.
those teachers who have not even given the exam and they are contractual teachers, then how many years they have
How
worked?
many years? Because now.
Yes.
I have to then give both the chart. That those teachers who have tried to give it in.
state, it is provided, we have in fact given a bifurcation of different managements also. NDMC, MCD, Delhi government, special school, aided.
My lord,
We have given different categories and we have in fact given a very detailed chart that since 2013 onwards, how many of them have been appointed? Irrespective,
it's-
in fact,
it's
I
only
go
in
to the
May
extent of saying this, my lords, even
this
people
year.
not before this court, if they have worked for long period, my lords, we are ready to accommodate. But I will be able to show that this is not the case.
my lords, now Delhi government wakes up. It's only in May of this year that they issue a fresh advertisement, my lords.
Have you filed any affidavit which has a chart of
The composition.
particulars of these
Yes, my
465
lord.
teachers?
Lordships had asked us.
When were they appointed? What
16th
is
of-
their qualification?
Yes.
Who appointed them? All these particulars, please show us.
16
Where is it?
2026.
Because
We have filed additional affidavit on behalf of the petitioner, my lords, in this matter.
16.
The affidavit is filed on 16/6/2026. In 6/2026.
This additional affidavit, I believe. I have
Yeah.
to read the copy. I got the copy. I got it.
You've got. My lords, the amicus has a copy. I can just hand over my.
tell us how many of you have worked for 10 years?
Lordship, I
Because as per Uma Devi, if we take guidance from Uma Devi,
They have not.
it has to be 10 years.
They have not. They have not, my lords.
20 have worked for 10, above 20.
We have no difficulty of 13 and 14, my lords. There's no difficulty.
Or may I just indicate, madam, just to solve this? Let the state and let my friend file an affidavit, give a copy to me.
We have filed, my lords.
Just simplify it.
Just 1 minute.
That how many contractual employees have not participated in any examination? That number I should get, my lord, so that I can put your lordship. how many candidates who have not participated, for how long they have worked, and they have to give me that contractual letter or something like this, my lord, so that we can figure out that if they work for like 10 years, not participated in any examination, and if they are RCI qualified, they should be accommodated, my lords. And if they have not worked, for example, less than 10 years, and yet they have participated and not qualified, then they can't have a dual benefit of first participating and then failing, and then having a backdoor entry, my
Solve
lords.
this problem.
That can be via media, my lords. If
To solve this problem,
my lords,
in
the-
fact,
Out of 455, you provide a list of those
I'll do that.
contractual teachers who have been in service for 10 years.
Please.
We are now going to draw a line, 10 years, they will be considered.
there is no difficulty.
There may be states, smaller states, where facilities are not adequate. There we may think of relaxing the period of service. But in a place like Delhi, you have
My
to
lords, may I make
be
one
in service
request?
for more than 10 years in order to be entitled to the benefit of the 7th March order.
Very well.
So far as the others are concerned, they will have to take the test.
My lords,
and-
may I make one request, my lords? May I make one request? If your lordships will just hear me, my lords, on 2 points. May I just finish? May I just finish? My lords, I just want to make 3 short points if for your lordship's consideration. One, this is an underserved speciality and underserved area. Even in the top private schools of this city, you will not have more than 1 or 2 qualified special educators. That's the first thing. Here, if I'm able to satisfy your lordships that I have cleared the exams and I have the requisite educational qualifications, then what my request would be is, even if I'm teaching 7-8 years,
If you are
please
clear-
accommodate me.
If you are clearing the examination.
No difficulty.
Automatically.
Very well.
It's a
Very
cumulative
That's
exam.
not-
Very well.
For the benefit
Yes.
in terms of.
So we'll have one column on 10 years, one column which speaks to clearing all the examinations and the overall qualifications.
Not-
And for how many years the rest have been teaching, having cleared the exams.
Let's say,
Or Delhi, we will say those who have been in service for more than 10 years,
Lordship,
having RCI qualification,
Lordship,
they will have to appear before the screening committee. Screening committee will verify.
it's already done, ma'am.
That is done, my lords.
That
That's
is
been
why I've
done.
submitted
That's
my
been
list.
and
done.
I've,
There's no difficulty.
Or our RCI cleared, my
Why
lords.
don't you tell us, madam?
Now, I have
Their
sent this-
affidavit.
No, by way of an affidavit.
Yes.
That you have considered these 455.
Yes, so I'll do that, my lords. I'm only requesting this. We sent an email also, my lords. We asked for their RCA registration number because we can see some discrepancy in the data. If they give us that number, we will be able to verify.
Where is your letter?
My lords, email we had
My lords,
sent.
I have the numbers here. Can I just read the numbers out? I'll hand it over to my friend also, my lords.
You please furnish the particulars to Madam Swati.
Yes.
Give us the
So
RCA.
that
Give them a copy.
they have found certain discrepancies.
Yes.
So that has to be removed.
that can be sorted out. It's not a big.
That's
Lordship can,
We'll-
Lordship can dictate this order, my lord. This will.
Manoj, the results of 2023,
Just, sir, I'm coming to that.
that's the,
My lords, we have moved an application. My lords had permitted us, given us that liberty that we can come back once the results are ready. We have not declared the results for the second advertisement. My lords had permitted us for the first one. This is 581, my lords. We are carrying the results. We have not published. It is for the perusal of the court. If my lords permit us,
File an application
we
seeking
have.
permission.
Yes, double two.
Given to Mr. Micus.
It has been served, my lords.
We'll do that, my lords.
Mr.
I have no problem because if they found candidates to be qualified and eligible,
1,000 people gave
Go
the
through it.
exam.
Once you tell us that yes,
my only
that
concern would be
process
that
has been followed, we will grant the
he says no
permission.
problem. He says no problem.
You have post-
He said that he has no problem.
Don't put words in his mouth.
No, my lords.
He did.
my only,
Yeah.
my only concern would be in case the lordship finds, just a minute, my only concern would be in case these 581 are going through, my lords, and they have been found to be eligible and qualified. What happens to those contractors who are working for more than 10 years?
I have.
We want them.
And that post will become
How
very.
many of them are there for more than 10 years?
That may I just point out one thing, my lords. Even the earlier results which my lord had permitted us, it is subject to the outcome of this, my lords. So even if my lords permit us,
Lordship may post Delhi next week again,
tenures, my lords are being fair.
and so that I can compile this data. Let this 581 can hold for another 1 week or so, my lord, so that
1 week is up, 1 week is
1
fine.
week
my
is
lords.
fine.
Very well.
1 week is fine. We'll keep Delhi on next
Very well.
next Tuesday.
Very well.
Next Tuesday, Madam Guruswamy, the Senior Council represents 455
Yes, madam.
And let's say to give us
contractual
this-
special teachers.
Yes.
An affidavit shall be filed on behalf of these 455 teachers indicating
18.
how many of them
There are-
have been in service for more than 10 years,
with their RCI number, my lords.
with how many of them possess RCI qualification with up-to-date
RCI
registration
number.
number,
Yes.
with up-to-date registration number, and
My lords are just,
how many of them have previously taken the examinations for recruitment
Yes.
conducted by the which board?
D-triple-SB, my lords. D-triple-SB.
DSSSB.
D.
Give the full form.
I'll do them.
DSSS. Such an affidavit.
Lordship may indicate just a concise affidavit on this.
Yes.
With copy to the amicus.
And Lordship may post it a week thereafter, so that I can, a week thereafter, like
That's
18th can, Lordship.
Request I have.
No, why? We are coming to the end of this matter now. Let us
If
I-
you're that way, my lords, it has to be decided.
let us expedite. Mr. Shivansh is there, he will prepare it.
Both of us in some part and matter on 11th, that's why. But Lordship, fix on 11th. I have no.
Let's,
12th, no,
12th.
no problem.
Let's, may I have one request, my lords, because the last affidavit they had filed, my lords, they gave brackets from 13 to 18 without giving the actual names and numbers. My lords, were directed to give the complete list of
the-
55 people.
Engagement letters shall form part of the affidavit.
Yes.
It's 2023 batch, your lordships will consider on the next.
We will consider. Not
Very
required, Mr. Hegde. Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Very small group of 36 RP CWSN, out of which, straightway I'll put it this, out of this 36, 18 are beyond 10 years, from 11, 13, and most of 7 or 8, 9, I'll give the specific figure, but more than after 18. But they are before 20, so they should be considered, and even the screening committee has.
You also filed an affidavit.
Just one,
I also put in the screening committee.
Their case is slightly different, my lords. In fact, my lords,
Slightly different.
it's different, my lords.
Lordship, just one
Sarva
request.
Shiksha, my lords.
Either of the affidavit must be only concise, not spreading to other things. Just so that I can have the data collate from both the affidavits. Not.
It is in their own interest that they will keep it
My lords, in fact, I only give it.
size form
I wish the affidavit
instead
was.
of
May I just-
making it voluminous.
Let me just submit, my lords. In fact, with respect to
Given the,
Page wrote.
yeah, 12th को नहीं होगा, 13th को?
I'm grateful. May I just indicate the, please.
I was very for equity mother because these are
ये दम बता। वापस मार पड़ा।
No, how many years service have you put in?
Huh?
No, if we make an exception for you,
He's not the,
455
he's not
have
the
to be
only
cut.
blind
Very-
candidate, my lords. He's not the only blind candidate. There are other blind candidates.
Very well, but
On
once we
18th,
relax it for one candidate, we'll have to extend it to all others, which we can't.
Lordship, apart from Delhi, Lordship, you can call on the other dates, Jammu, Kashmir, Daman, Diu and Tamil Nadu. They have never been,
Take care. We'll be-
and of course Delhi.
18th we'll consider.
Grateful.
Jammu, Kashmir, Daman, Diu, Tamil Nadu and Delhi.
I is disposed of without any order. Yes. We are meeting at Darwaja.
Please, ma'am.
I'm deeply grateful. Grateful also.